Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a huge box here next to me. Ba-da-dum-dum-dum-dum. And it's from scrapbook.com. So let's see what I got. There is truly no good way to film this. It's a huge box of stuff. So I'm trying to rest it on some of my things that I have in the room, and I'm going to pull out all of the stuffing. So it's a huge box, but there is a ton of stuffing. So good grief. That is unnecessary. Probably necessary, but I have a lot. So not everything that you'll see is for me. Some of it I got as stocking stuffers. My daughter is going to be a teacher and she is loving some of these things, so that's kind of fun. And then I will say that most of it is probably for me though, because I really like some of the things that I got and I'm super excited. So first thing that I have are these aqua shimmer pens. I have not used these. I have used aqua painters and I have used the Wink of Stella, and I think this is very similar to that. They had all of their Nuvo things on sale, which made me very happy. I think it was 25% off, and lordy, I went crazy. So you will see, but I got those and it came in a double pack, so yay me. And I have one Nuvo glitter marker that I love, so I had to get some other ones. This one is Venetian Jade. It's a beautiful jade color. And Urban Graphite, which is the color that I have, but I love it so much that I wanted to make sure I had a backup. Strawberry Bonbon. Iced Americano. It's like a brownish color. It's very pretty. Maybe I should do this now that the box is... Maybe I should do it like I normally do so you guys can see better. I think I will, so stand by. The box, there is something really big in here, but I'll have to show that to you. So I'll be back. Okay, let's try it this way. So there is Iced Americano. I'm just going to take them out of these things because I really don't need the packaging. Urban Graphite. Venetian Jade. Strawberry Bonbon. And if you guys haven't tried these, they work beautifully. Let me find my... Oh, easier said than done. What did I do with it? My Urban Graphite one. Hello, where are you? Just opened my Versa marker, didn't mean to do that. Well, gosh. I keep it right in here and it's not in here. Maybe it fell. Well, I would show you, but I don't know where it is right this minute. Dagnabbit. But they are very glittery and they're very beautiful. And I have no idea where it went. That's gonna make me crazy. But oh well, that's okay. I will find it. But you can see these are very pretty. I thought this was going to be not so green because it looks like this is the Venetian Jade. I mean, look how different those colors are. I wish this said what color it was, but I don't see it. Because this looks like a Christmas green. It doesn't look like that at all. Oh well. And there's more. There's more. There's more. I have this set, which has Strawberry Bonbon and Wild Lavender and I can't read the other one. Athenian Blue. So those are very pretty. And here is Purple Passion. Very pretty. I'm not taking all of these out because I don't know that I'm going to keep all of these. And this one is Blue Bliss and Imperial Blue. Some of these will be for my daughter. And let's see here. There's more, there's more. Another Urban Graphite because I really like that color and I know that she will too. And Fired Brick. It's really pretty. Pressed Peony. Wild Lavender. And then this is a Moroccan Sunset colors. It has Pressed Peony. Fired Brick, Pressed Peony, and Sweet Apricot. So those are very pretty. And then, what are these exactly? These are alcohol markers. And they have rich reds and some stormy grays. I thought I'd get the colors that I use the most. This is Depths and Shadows. And this one is Fair Skin Tones. So I thought those would be neat to try. You can blend them and see how they all work together. There's a pointed in and a chiseled in, just like other alcohol markers. So that's kind of interesting. I'm looking forward to trying those out. Oh, this is a mini rotary perforator. It will make little perforations instead of cuts, which I think is nice. It's kind of a cute bag. I'm going to keep that. I have this bag of goodies. I think I got 2 sets of these. Maybe not. I guess not. I will have to look on my list. I will do that later though. And then I love the glitter drops, and this one is Gold Coast glitter drops. And this one is Dream Drops, and this one is in the color Fairy Wings. Let me just take it out of this packaging. So I have not used these before, but these are the ones that have the little, I love them. Add dimension, iridescent details to craft projects. So this is Fairy Wings, and you can see how it's iridescent. And this one is the gold one. And that's really pretty. Gold Coast, it says. And this one is something that I didn't know what all of this stuff was. I just thought, you know what, I'm going to give it a whirl and see if I like it and see what it is. This is Glimmer Paste. And I got red. I thought it might be fun for some Christmas projects that might be coming up. I guess I won't open it yet until I use it. I have a feeling I know what it is. Like, I've used something like this before. It was a Bo Bunny brand, and it was blue, and it was really pretty, but I didn't use very much of it, and it dried out. So I'm not going to open this yet until I actually use it. I have a problem sometimes with things like that. Like, I think, oh gosh, they're so special, I can't use it. But then if I don't use it, it goes bad. This one is a red. It's called Autumn Red. And I thought those were neat. It's the Nuvo Crystal Drops. Again, all of the Nuvo stuff was on sale, so that's why I bought so much Nuvo stuff. This one is White Blizzard. Very pretty. And I often need brown. Like I think, oh, it would be nice if I had some brown for eyes or whatever. So I went ahead and got a brown one. This was in dark walnut. And then I love purple, and this one's called Purple Rain. And who doesn't love some prints? So you gotta have that. It's really pretty. And what is this one? This is interesting. This is a different kind of a bottle. Scissors don't want to cut this plastic. This is Nuvo Glitter Accents. Add a luxurious glitter effect to your craft project. Dry flat for 24 hours. Wow. But it's really pretty. And then I got this, which is Nuvo Pure Sheen Glitter. So it's just a big old container of glitter. It's beautiful. I love it. Yes, please. Oh, and I did get another blue. I think this is the same kind of paste, and this is, oh, this one has a Ziploc. This one is very similar to the one that I had. It's not quite the same color, but it's very similar. And this is the Glimmer. I don't know if it says Glimmer Paste. Oh yes, I think it does. Glimmer Paste. So it's the same thing as that red. Very pretty. Then let me put these somewhere. Let me just move them over here for now. Because I have some other things to show you. I'm going to move these up to here. It just says scrapbook.com. And this holds clear stackable storage containers for bottles. So I guess you put them, and this one holds the 0.5 bottles, which is maybe this. Yes. So you can see they fit right in there, and you store them upside down so that they will be ready to use when you're ready to use them, which I think is fabulous. I don't think I need to store that one in there when I have all these stickles to do. And of course I have more stickles than I do spots, but I thought that was kind of cute. And maybe, I don't know, it says stackable. I thought it was broken, but it's not. I don't know how it's stackable. I guess you put it on top of another one like this. Oh, there, it does stack. So I guess you can stack them like that. And then you'd put, I don't know how that works exactly. But then this could also be a lid, which is nice. I don't know. I'll play with it and see how I need to use it. My dog is barking. Let me let him out real quick, and then I will be right back. I have two more things to show you. Okay, so the second to last thing I need to show you is another one of these, but it's for bigger containers, I think. And then I don't think I'm even going to show you the last thing yet because it is big, but I will tell you what it is. And that was even hard to say, wasn't it? I needed it because, well, because I do a lot of die cutting, and I needed an electric die cut machine. Oh my word. It's made by Sizzix, and it is the Bigshot, but it is an electric one. So it's in a huge box down here, and I still have to take it out. And I just let my dogs out, so I'm going to have to let them in, and I really want to be able to sit down and try it before I like have to do anything with it, so it'll be a little bit, but these fit, this one fits this size drops. So I thought that this would be nice for all of my Nuvo drops, and I don't have a ton of them yet, but you know, if I like these, who knows? I guess I have enough to fill it, don't I? That one's a little different, but this one's a little different too, but maybe it'll fit in there. So let's see. How will this one work? I just don't know how they stack. I don't understand that. See, there's no way that this stacks on top of that. That wouldn't work. And same with this. This couldn't stack on top of that. Because then you wouldn't even be able to get those. Maybe it just means that they're... I don't... But why would you want this to stack on top of this? I don't really know. I don't know. I might be missing something. Or maybe I just... I'm not a fan of what they say is stacking. I mean, I'm not sure why you'd want that unless you were stacking them on top of each other to make like levels, which I can kind of understand that. But then this one doesn't fit on top of that one. So I don't know. I'm not really sure. I don't know why you'd need it to be leveled up like this when it would do the same thing if it were just down on the floor. So I'm not sure, but I mean, see, I mean, you could just do the same thing with it like this. They still are different levels because the back ones are bigger. That one just doesn't fit, but I don't know. I mean, but I like it. It's kind of cute, and I like the idea of having them upside down. So, and this wasn't very expensive, so and then maybe I could use these for something else. I could even use these to store others. Well, not those. But I could put the small ones in here, just stack them like that. Well, I have some more sitting right here. So maybe that's what I'll do. And then I can put other things like this and this. My glossy accents. I'm sure I will find a use for them for sure, but I think that's probably how I'll use it. Then I'll find somewhere to put all of these, and yeah. So that's that. So thanks for watching, guys. I know that it's kind of a big haul, but it was fun, and I needed all the stuff, especially I needed the Sizzix electric die cut machine, because you know my poor shoulder gets a workout. But seriously, I do think that it will help, so I'm kind of excited about that. This you just need to shake up anyway, so I think I'm going to put these this way. I'm going to put that one in there. I don't know. No, I think I'll put it in here. So yeah, I got some things to play with, and I am excited. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.